Dear viewers, you are watching LMR channel and I am Malik Akim. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Viewers, today I have selected a topic and that is, can we create unlimited Gmail account without any phone number? The reason behind the selection of this topic is that I have seen a number of videos floating on the YouTube channel that in which a channel owner is telling that we can create a number of Gmail account without any phone number. Here's I have selected three major campaigns that are floating on the YouTube channel in which channel owner is making fool of his subscriber and his viewers. First campaign is this, that can we create a number of unlimited Gmail account without any phone number. So I will explain this campaign first. For this campaign I have picked two major points. In one point, one channel owner is telling that we can create a unlimited Gmail account without any phone number, and for this purpose he has created two or three Gmail account. And in the second point, I will tell you that another channel owner is telling that we can create unlimited Gmail account from a website, and he created a bulk of Gmail account and round about 500 Gmail account, and I will tell you that what are those. First point, how we can create an unlimited Gmail account without any phone number. Dear viewers, we cannot create unlimited Gmail account without any phone number. If you are trying this method, it means that you are wasting your time. Only we can create up to 10, 11 or 12 Gmail account without any phone number. And the reason behind this is that Gmail maintains its information on its own server. It does not maintain its information on your device. It does not store any information on the cookies that those are present on your device. It maintains its information on its own server. If you are trying this method, you will be able to create only up to 9, 10, 11 times Gmail account. You can create up to 10, 11 or 12 Gmail account. After this, Gmail will ask you about the phone number. Ultimately, it will lead to stoppage of creation of Gmail account from that number. It will say that this number has been used a number of times and you will not be able to create a Gmail account from this number. Even if you have a multiple browser, you create 10 Gmail account from one browser and uninstall this browser, then install another browser, you will not be able to create any other Gmail account. So this is fake information, this is misleading information in which channel owner who has a number of subscriber more than 40k subscriber, and he is telling that I have spent a whole night in creating the unlimited Gmail account by this method. Dear viewers, I have tried this method. We are we can only create unlimited Gmail account up to 10 times or 11 times. After this, Gmail will stop creation of any other account. So this method in which one is telling you that we can create a Gmail account without any phone number, this is misleading. This is fake information. So do not. Dear viewers, the second campaign started about the unlimited Gmail account creation is this, that one channel owner is telling that we can create unlimited Gmail account from this website, and I am going to open this website and I will show a demo, complete demo. Dear viewers, if you put your email address here, this website will generate a bulk of Gmail account up to 500, up to 600, but actually, dear viewers, all these mail account are single mail address. How these are single mail address? Just pick one mail ID from here. Pick one mail ID from here and paste it into your email account and enter your password. That is your original password of your mail address. The password for all these 500 mail account are same. You will dear viewers, when you will log in into this mail account, you will see it is going to display the same original mail ID of your. In website you have seen that it has splitted your mail ID by dot and shown you that this is another mail ID. Actually this is not another email ID, it is the same, just it has splitted there. When you put this in when you put this email ID into your account, your original email account is displayed. So all these 500 Gmail account are single Gmail account. These are not bulk of Gmail account. It has just splitted your original Gmail account. And the dear viewers, this is the second campaign in which channel owner are making fool and giving the misleading information to his subscriber and viewers. Now I am going to tell you about the third campaign that has been launched recently by the YouTubers. Third campaign that has been launched by the YouTubers is that they are asking to his viewers and subscribers put their comment on his video, and they will pick comment of a lucky person, and they will ask to his viewers and subscriber to subscribe his channel. This is another method of misleading and making the fool of his viewers. Actually this method they are promoting his video. Dear viewers, you have listened my video. How was it? Please comment on my video. See you with the next video. Pakistan Zindabad.